Hi everyone, welcome to
Loving life.
And today we're actually together. It's the first time that we're making Mukbang together with Ariel.
Without
Regina, because she's at work. So my name is Victoria. This is my sunny boy
Ariel's Fashion Land. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you who already did.
He has his own channel, and we were shopping today and we were having fun.
And then we were starving,
So yeah, and we went to H Mart and go to my vlog channel, and one of the vlogs we went to H Mart and to see we were filming together today in H Mart what we bought and its haul. And H Mart is absolutely fun Korean shop. It's Asian overall, but it's Korean, a little bit more catered to Korea. Those is dumplings, Korean dumplings
we'll
with
have
pork.
another mukbang with Regina. We'll have another mukbang with Regina later.
Totally. And this is deep fried
Pork dumplings.
And I forgot the name. Please, Korean people, let me know what's the name of your dumpling. There is a specific name for it. This is a lunch platter. This is tteokbokki rice cake, spicy rice cake. Those are, how say that is?
Blood sausage.
This is blood sausage here. And this is
Balling
sushi. It's not sushi. Can you give me please my cell phone?
Okay.
And I will tell you the name of those.
You keep forgetting.
I keep forgetting, but this is very nice. This is like sandwich, and it's considered to be, street food. So yay. And this is cucumber kimchi, which is absolutely fresh and nice. And I forget how it's called. Oh my god. Korean sushi. Yeah. It's called kimbap. Yeah, so that's called kimbap. Sorry for the, and Korean, and dumplings. It's mandu. You see, I remember the names. This is mandu dumplings. So yeah.
I never even look at the names though.
I know.
I don't even know.
So he will eat it with soy sauce, and he will help me with this. And I actually took it with ham and sausage inside. It's spicy. It's filled with Chijuan, red paste. I mean, I'm talking about the Korean style rice cakes. Tteokbokki. It's with gochujang. Oh, I remember today all the names. So it's really nice.
Yeah, but you had to Google it before. That's why you remember it.
I do.
So I'm having one of those sushis.
And this is very fresh, a bit spicy. Just wonderful. Bit of onion inside, carrot, and cucumber.
The one I tried was a bit different than this.
But it's nice.
Different sushi, but I like it.
It's like it was with sausage.
I'm kind of like California.
And this is, as you see here, it's a blood sausage filled with japchae noodles, which are sweet potato vermicelli. And
I don't
usually,
like it too well.
he doesn't like it, but usually we eat it with a little bit of red salt. I like it. It's very nice. It's not spicy at all. It's very mild and very good. This one is spicy though. It's sweet, it's spicy, and it have this distinct gochujang flavor to it. Awesome. Are you okay, man? I know.
That thing in my mouth hurts.
It has this sauce here and there. This is how it looks like. Can I dip inside your
Yeah.
soy sauce. It's really nice. Actually, they have inside egg, fish cake, radish, cucumber, pickled radish, it's a must, and sausage, and it's really nice. Can I have one? Thank you, man. I need to try it. I never tried those manjus in this particular place. They have inside the same vermicelli. It's like noodles, glass noodles. They have pork and glass noodles inside. It's really nice. That's nice.
Ow.
Are you okay?
I forget how much it hurts.
What hurts? This one?
No. The thing in my mouth. The soy sauce is the main thing that hurts. And anything that touches it, even my tongue, even if I talk, it hurts.
Yeah. Yeah. Today we woke up and then we rushed to his tutoring and to his some classes he's taking. And then afterwards we went to H Mart.
It's more like a kind of school than tutoring. More like a kind of weird school than tutoring.
Yeah. But it's some classes.
Yeah. I go to 2 tutorings. Well, the second one's kind of more of a school.
So yeah. And then we were running to H Mart and then we came and I continued the vlog because I'm filming the vlogs for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should. You will go around with us and subscribe to us. So yeah, the links are somewhere in the description of the vlog. This is such a fresh. It's not fermented enough. And it's fresh and it still has bite to it. Very nice. This is nice with salt. Usually they put salt and red pepper flakes together, but I'm using pink Himalayan. I'm sorry, man. You almost don't talking because it hurts.
Yeah. I eat very slowly.
This one, amazing. So this is our lunch actually. Nice. You know what? I'm not doing it smart. This is very popular street food in Korea.
What?
Listen.
Wow, they have a weird street food.
I'm even using proper utensils for the, because in Korea they use those.
Is there any dish that you use a fork? But
No.
spoons, yes.
Spoon, yes.
But fork?
I want it a bit spicy, relative to this one. It's just fresh and nice. It's wonderful. Then you like it.
Yeah.
This is very hot. Not overly hot, but yes. So tell me, how was your day? How was your night, actually?
Bad.
Explain them.
I woke up at. I went to sleep early and woke up at 12 and couldn't fall back asleep for about 5-6 hours
Yeah.
straight.
It was good lunch, actually. It was really good lunch. Nice. Spicy, exactly how I like it. And for Ariel, it wasn't actually spicy, so it was good. Yeah? Actually, I really like the spicy one. And he... Wow, you loved it in the end. You know why why you love those? Because there are fish cakes inside, which you like. It's fishy flavor, so you like this. And it's because it's with sesame oil, and you really love sesame oil. Relative to regular sushi, like to North American or Japanese, they use more.
I like California.
California, they don't use sesame oil, and on those gimbaps, they use sesame oil, and it's really nice. And Ariel really love the flavor of sesame oil, aren't you? Wow, it's spicy, but nice, especially the after spice. It's awesome.
Even for you?
It's not the spice that I can't handle actually, but it's quite a bit spicy. And this one quite a bit spicy too, and it's absolutely addictive because the spice is on top and the freshness of cucumber, just wonderful. Nice. Usually I'm not drinking water, but how do you know that it's spicy? When I finish my glass of water. What?
That hurts so much. It stings probably even more than with water.
Oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, it was a really nice lunch. Now you need to finish. And this is very good. Those mandus are really good. Crispy, deep fried, yumminess. Phenomenal. I think you will have 2 Korean food mukbang day after day. I have a feeling because we bought more food than when Regina is coming, obviously. So for Regina as well. Yeah, if you are interested in what I bought in the H Mart, it's pretty cool. I love the H Mart. I love this variety of food. It's something like out of the regular shops. So yeah, it's really nice. Can I take your water, please? Do you need water? Can I take a little bit of water? Yeah, I know. It's a bit spicy. Who's with me with the spice? People, you need to...
Nobody know Korean.
Actually, we bought spicy ramyeon. It's
Ramen.
No, yeah, but it's, in Korean it's ramyeon, and they write on it ramyeon. Yeah. So me and Regina are going to do spicy challenge. Not today. Not today.
And I'll watch you guys burn.
And he is going to be on the film crew and laugh at us.
We don't have a film crew.
No, we don't. Ariel is going to be our crew. It's wonderful. This is for dinner tonight. I think we'll finish for today, for now. Not for today, but for now. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for coming back. It's our first together mukbang. You know, check out his channel and subscribe to him. Subscribe to our
this channel and our other channel.
And yeah, we have now 3 channels alive, and yeah. And check out his Etsy shop.
Your Etsy shop?
And my Etsy shop and Patreon account. Support us there because we need a little bit of more editing programs and etc. for our 3 channels now. And we're uploading every day on 2 channels. So yay for us. We are incredible. High five.
And insanable.
And insane. A bit. Just a bit.
No, not a bit.
No, a lot?
Yes.
So thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to write us a comment. Write us what's your favorite Korean food if you tried it. And you know, don't forget to subscribe. Write us a comment. Thumbs up us. And cheers. Loving life. And as usual, see you tomorrow. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Come back for more.
Loving life. Ah. Mwah. Loving life. I love this boy. I love him.